No.
You're now to your hubs.
One of those Tucson off-road windshields.
Yeah.
Last year I gave you $10.
Oh yeah. I'm trying to think who has them. I think Craig has them.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure Craig still has